Hello, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys, where we teach the little guy and girl how to utilize charts to manage their own trades and investments. What do I mean by the little guy and girl? Well, we just had 2 directives signed halting the implementation of a rule that requires financial advisors to act in the best interests of their client. Let that sink in a little bit. The big wigs on Wall Street can play with your retirement and hard-earned money without your best interests at heart. We currently have hundreds of members taking charge of their financial future, and we would love for you to come check out a free week with no credit card required to see if our services would be beneficial on your path to financial independence as well. What we offer, we have a separate course of over 5 hours in length on when to enter and exit positions. And in terms of what we do daily, we have nightly videos, key levels updated each morning before the bell, 2.5 hours of live daily webcam coverage in the morning and in the afternoon, and over 7 hours of educational videos. All of these links can be found in the description of this video. Come check us out. Thanks for watching. Let's get on to the technical analysis.
Hey guys, James with TheChartGuys. It's Thursday, April 6th. Going to do my nightly video on natural gas. Natural gas is basically moving up and down in this channel here. And just like oil yesterday had a bearish reversal doji or hammer, and we are not confirming that today by having a green day today. So nat gas bulls are still in full control. We're still above the 20 MA here. Remove this drawing. And the next resistances to watch for on nat gas is going to be the high of today. High of today is going to be 3.337 is resistance, and then obviously a bull break would be breaking above 3.347. What we should watch for now is the support here. First support is going to be the low here of this candle of 3.276, then the low we had today of 3.306. If we don't break 3.03, if we do break 3.306, expect some further consolidation, maybe another back test at the 80 MA. Again, the 20 MA is moving up. I'd like it to catch up the price, and I keep saying I'd eventually like to get another back test of the 20 MA. But with the 20 MA crossing above these longer term moving averages, the 50 and the 200, and these shorter term moving averages crossing above these longer term averages, bulls are in full control and looking great for natural gas. On the hourly chart for natural gas, yesterday we had this big spike reversal candle with profit taking on the hourly. We pulled back, bounced, regained the 20 MA here on the hourly, and we're holding up better than we did yesterday off the highs here, and it's just consolidating right now. You can see the big bull volume here on the hourly, and then you can see the declining volume, and then saw a bull step in again, and now you're seeing declining volume again. So tomorrow we'll look at these levels again. Look at these resistances. Same matches up with the daily. The high of 3.337, then want to eventually break 3.347 for a bull break. Nat gas bulls do not want to lose this low of 3.235 on the hourly chart as they consolidate above here. So if we do consolidate here and we do happen to pull back further and lose the low of this candle on the hourly of 3.235, the problem is that because of this big green candle here on the hourly, there isn't going to be much support. As you can see, there isn't much price support because of this big green candle. So once we lose this low, we could consolidate further and test these other price supports here that are much lower. So key for nat gas bulls in this hourly chart while they're consolidating is to hold the low of this candle of 3.335. As far as the weekly goes, and on the weekly, again, that last bounce attempt we had here, February oversold, we rejected here and pulled back. Was a little afraid of that happening here, but nat gas bulls are really proving themselves if they're able by close of tomorrow, which looks likely unless there's a big pullback tomorrow, that they're going to regain this 200 MA where it rejected from last week. And so by gaining all these MAs here, so now we have the 20 and the 200 MA on the weekly. There's no MAs above us. There's only price resistances to look at on the weekly. The high of 3.342, then the high of this candle of 3.494 are the next resistance that we'll look at. And the supports, again, on any consolidation are going to be for weekly. Consolidation would be the lows of these weekly candles of 3.121, and then the low of this candle 3.011. Those are going to be your weekly supports. We're close to a bullish MACD here on the 12.26.9 MACD chart, and bulls are in full control on the daily and weekly. Have a good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.